So for today, we have Reg as our patient, and being a small breed, we will be using the diaphragm of the stethoscope. We have to make sure that the stethoscope is turned on and we are doing the cardiac auscultation in a quiet environment. The first step in auscultation is the palpation of the thorax bilaterally. The apical impulse on the left should be stronger than on the right. If the opposite is true, it suggests significant cardiomegaly. Next, place the stethoscope diaphragm over the region of the apical impulse. Consider the sounds heard and initially focus on identifying the S1 and the S2 sounds. Move the stethoscope around the apical region a few centimeters dorsal to where you started and then a few centimeters caudal. Do this procedure on both sides. Find the range over where you can hear the heart sounds, then return to the area of the apex where you found them to be the loudest.